Beautiful nighttime sky there. I'll flip you around. Hey guys, good evening. It's actually Monday evening, July 13th? July 13th or July 14th? I apologize, I'm not sure. I ended up falling asleep very early, like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. I woke up about 9 o'clock a little bit ago here, thinking I had slept till the next morning. But, yeah. So now I'm up, and boy, tonight, this Michigan evening is beautiful. Tonight, this is stunning. It's not humid. This is a perfect night, the temperature. It feels fantabulous. I'm even thinking of shutting off the air unit. I can't really open the window because we don't have a screen. Wanted to. I don't want to go to sleep like that, you know. But my husband's so sweet because I have my other computer up and running. I went and I got a Wi-Fi adapter. So both my computers have Wi-Fi on it. So one computer's for him, one computer's for me. So he can come home and work, continue working. And I can do my work or just watch videos or whatever, do whatever I want online, where I'm not stuck. I mean, I can on my phone, but I can only do so much on my phone. But yeah, so he's so sweet. He brought home, and it's so tiny. I should show it to you later. It's a thumb drive, so I can sync all my pictures, because everything that's on the computer that he's using, I'm putting onto the thumb drive, so then in turn I can put it on this new computer. But this USB thumb drive stick is it's like a tiny, it's a baby, it's so cute. So right now, I'm going through things that I want to delete before I dump it all on that new stick. So, but yeah, you guys, so earlier I got my Ipsy into my video yet. I also did a reactionary video to this UFO documentary that I'm going to upload, because I think occasionally I want to intercept in my content some reaction videos to things. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Yeah. Oh, fucking June bug. I hate those things. I hate those things. Those June bugs, they're like that big and they're brown and hard. They hit you hard too. Like, I've been walking and I've been pegged with those things. Ugh. But I forgot where I was going. But I feel 100% better. I haven't really talked about it over here too much, but I've been having a really struggle. I've been having a struggle. I don't know if it had something to do with my time of the month's coming. or if it's just the normal part of cravings. It could be a mixture of both, but I know it's a normal part of craving. I've been wanting to drink a lot. I've been wanting to pick up the bottle, but I know where's that. I'm an alcoholic and I can't. I know that where that will lead me. It'll become out of control, and then I'll end up using. And I can't take that chance. I cannot take that chance. So, but this past week and the week before, it were just so difficult. It's always going to be difficult for me. I'm going to go through these peaks and valleys, and it doesn't help because for 6 months, there's this fifth of vodka in a bottle of wine, or a couple bottles of wine. I don't know. But there's a fifth of vodka, and for sure I know a bottle of wine in my cupboards. And I was so scared I wasn't going to be able to control myself, but I'm proud of myself. Pat on the back for controlling myself. I was so desperate, though. I was begging my husband, please, let me dump this. I don't need this here. I don't need the temptation. As it is, you get the temptations when it's not there. But the way that I was feeling, I just wanted to drink. I just wanted to numb. But for me, drugs and alcohol never took my problems away. They've only made things worse. They've only made me dwell on things more so. But yeah, so I've been struggling a lot lately. But today I finally got a break from that. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a relief. What a relief. And this is where you really do have to live day to day. Take the saying, I know it's cheesy, but you really have to take one day at a time. Because right now I feel great. Yesterday I felt terrible. Tomorrow I might feel terrible. And even though I control myself, tomorrow I might not control myself. And he won't let me get rid of the fucking bottles. They weren't that much money. It's a fifth of vodka, which is $13. It's not that much money. And the bottle of wine is that owl stuff from Aldi, so it's under $3 a bottle. I don't care if it would have been a bottle of Dom Perignon or the most expensive vodka in the world. I'm sitting there begging, please, let me get rid of these fucking bottles. But I guess I raised some concern with people and they mistook because, see, I'm doing it on my own. Yes, I'm in a medically, the methadone maintenance program for heroin, but I'm not in any type of program for alcohol. So the alcohol I kicked cold turkey, but that I wasn't drinking all the time. That used to never be a trigger for me, and I finally realized this. Now that I think about it, I've always had problems with alcohol. Ew, fucking June bug hit my head. But yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Maybe I should just do another video where I just talk about this stuff. cope real quick. So I guess I expressed concern amongst people about it because I was being boisterous and saying that I need to go into a rehab and blah, blah, this and that. Just because I'm saying I need to go into a rehab does not mean I picked up that fucking bottle. There's a lot of people that have been sober for a while, and because of how they feel, they know that they need to go get professional help. You could be sober for a year and then all of a sudden, one day you start having cravings. So to learn how to deal with those cravings, they go in and they get help. They go into rehab. So that's what I was meaning when I was being boisterous about I need to go to a rehab. So I have the tools so I can learn how to cope. Just because I'm saying I need to go to rehab does not mean I'm picking up that fucking bottle. I'm already at the stage of my life where I can admit to things, so, and where I'm not ashamed any longer of admitting that I have addiction problems and I'm a cross addict. So, but yeah, I don't know how people misinterpret. Well, I guess if you're not familiar with addiction or whatever, but maybe even if you are, I don't know. But I do need to go to a long-term care facility, so I have the tools to use. A long-term care facility is like 6 months to a year. But, I mean, yeah, I was able to control myself this time, but next time I might not be able to. I almost felt like I was losing control. I felt like I was losing my fucking mind. But, okay, you guys, my arm is hurting. That's cue for me to go. So, I'm gonna go. And we'll talk about more about this some other time. So, alright. Have a beautiful night. Bye.